You have to be basically on the TDP with your pisiform. Otherwise, if you're off on those erector spinae muscles, you're on ribs, right? So you're gonna be right there. You're gonna be kissing, your pisiform is kissing that spinous. And this is what I learned. I'm gonna lock out, my body's doing the line of drive, but the actual thrust comes from my heels. Go up on my toes, and then drop. It's the coolest thing. It's the coolest thing. No more was I doing 100 a day of this, right?